Research by Vaughan and colleagues in 2013 into improving reading comprehension and content knowledge in secondary students used a number of variables to successfully improve reading comprehension. Now we're going to focus on one of those variables that were used, and this variable is the use of keywords or essential words to build vocabulary. Now whilst it's true that most students learn vocabulary through informal oral interactions, research by Conza in 2014 highlighted that some students from less rich literacy backgrounds may be at a disadvantage. And this research also highlighted that direct instruction is an effective way of teaching vocabulary. So to use this strategy, we're going to model it by following Vaughan and colleagues, their model. And what they did was introduce 4 to 5 keywords every 2 weeks. Now, when we introduce these words, they should be 1, related to your content area, 2, words that come up a lot, so frequency, and 3, words related to the unit that you are currently studying. So if I was a maths teacher and I was going to come up with some words, let's say we're studying graphing and coordinates, I might come up with the words axis, keywords, to plot, coordinate, and graph. So I've got 5 words. And what we would do is explicitly teach about this word to begin with. So let's have a look at how we might explicitly teach. So here's one of the words, axis, and our word, we have a definition, we've used it in a sentence, we have the word origin, and I've also got visual depictions of this word. Now you could have students come up with their own definition, they could make their own sentence, they could discuss the word origin, and they could make their own image, and really work with some of those terms. Now the follow-up to this is, as a teacher, we need to then make sure we're continuing to come up and bring that word into our classes, into activities, into text over the next 2 weeks to make sure we consolidate student understanding of that word. And this is a strategy that all subjects, regardless of your science, maths, art, you can use content-specific words to help build vocabulary around that subject.